Hey everyone, Laura Clark here with WholeFoodNanny.com. Today I want to show you how to make something absolutely delicious that is a really great snack. I actually have my kids getting ready to come home from school and I thought, oh, this is a great opportunity to show you a snack idea. So I'm going to be making apple nachos, which is super fun because they're so versatile and so easy to put together. So I've kind of started it here and I'm just going to do it really quickly with you. Again, my kids are coming home from school. This is great for an after work snack or whatever works for you, but it's just a healthier snack option. So I have cut up apples, as you can see here. They're apple slices. Now you do not have to arrange them pretty on the plate. What I love about this is that you can literally just throw the apple slices on there and then add your toppings. And I'll give you some ideas at the end of different topping ideas for you. Today we're gonna do a peanut butter coconut mixture. And again, I have other variations I'll show you at the end that I think you'll really like. So for this first one, what I did is I sliced up 3 apples. I have 4 kids, so you can use a smaller plate and just do 1 apple, whatever works for you. But I have 4 kids, and so I'm gonna slice up 3 apples and I'm just arranging them here on the plate. Again, it really doesn't matter. It doesn't matter like how many apples or how you put them on the plate, because it's just kind of a messy arrangement anyway once you get everything on there. And I actually think that's what kids really like about it, is that it's just a grab and go kind of a snack. So I have all of them arranged on the plate, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add my toppings. The first one I wanna add is the peanut butter. And I use this peanut butter right here. It's 100% peanut butter. I like that. It doesn't have the sugars, doesn't have the palm oil, other things like that. I just want straight up peanuts, right? So this is my peanut butter, but you can see how it's actually pretty runny. So I added about a half a teaspoon of coconut oil to it and stuck it in the microwave for 10 seconds and then stirred it up. And that allows me to be able to just kind of run it along these apples and just put the peanut butter everywhere, wherever it falls. And again, this is like a messy, fun snack. And actually, it's really great even for company because you lay it out as an appetizer or just as a fun treat for everybody. It works well. So however much peanut butter you have, like I said, the measurements really don't matter. It depends. How much peanut butter do you want on it? How many apples do you want? Make it yours. So this is just what I'm doing for our family. We love peanut butter. If you prefer almond butter, put almond butter. It really doesn't matter. So I think that's enough peanut butter for our liking. And then I'm going to top it with some unsweetened coconut flakes. I just bought these at Walmart, unsweetened coconut flakes. I love it. I love the crunch and I love the slight coconutty flavor. And if you don't like that, then don't add it. Just make it yours. So I also think it makes it look really pretty though. So I'm gonna add just a teeny bit of coconut flakes to the top of this. I don't know how well you guys can see this, but that is what it's looking like so far. And then I want to add on some cranberries. And cranberries are super sweet and yummy. Again, this is just an awesome snack idea compared to other processed snacks that are easy to grab, but this is also super quick to make, so I like that. I'm gonna add on these dried cranberries. I just get a huge bag at Costco. It's easy for me. And then the last thing I'm gonna add to this is some peanuts. And you could add like chopped pecans, you could add a different type of nut, or cashews would be really yummy. I'm gonna add peanuts to this. I know this is what my kids really like. And voila, we are all done. So apple nachos, super yummy. Now there are a lot of different variations you can do with this, and just be creative. That's what makes this fun. I had my son make it the other night and it was absolutely gorgeous, and he had all of his favorite toppings. But another variation that's super tasty is sliced apples and then adding dollops of yogurt, your favorite yogurt, and then sprinkle on a little bit of granola, and you have like an apple parfait nachos. super yummy, kids dig it. And then another option would be doing an apple pie nachos where you are sprinkling, you slice your apples and then you sprinkle on the cinnamon, maybe a little bit of cloves with raisins on top. So easy, so yummy. The other thing I wanted to share with you is that if you wanted to substitute the cranberries for like chocolate chips, if you wanted to make it more like a treat, you definitely could. So that's pretty much for apple nachos. That's pretty much it. I did want to tell you thank you so much for all of you who reached out and messaged me for the smoothie recipes. I really appreciated that. I was happy to help. And then I also loved the feedback that I got from you guys. And if you still wanted those smoothie recipes, feel free to message me. I'd be happy to share them with you. Anyway, hope you guys tried apple nachos. Hope you love it. Talk to you next time.